Welcome to Join at Home Resample, a content playlist curated by Looker thought leaders and customers that highlights the best of Join at Home. Hello, everyone. I'm Jen Greene, host of Join at Home and Diversity Programs Manager for Looker. Whether you attended Join at Home and you'd like to revisit your favorite content, or you missed some great stuff, and there was a ton of great stuff, Join at Home Resample has you covered. Curating this list was no mean feat. Join at Home featured 41 total sessions, customers from around the world, Lookers, Googlers, and folks using many different cloud databases and multi-cloud strategies. But with the help of these fine thought leaders, we came up with a great Join at Home resample for you. Let's start with these clips from 2 customer-led sessions.
I saw Looker, when I learned about Looker, it was actually 3 or 4 years ago. I was like, this is exactly what everyone needs. Every company needs a platform like this where you can quickly go in there. I don't need to code anything. My raw data is there. I can customize it by any kind of filter I need, right? Date range, SKU level, regional, whatever the thing is, revenue, margin, and so forth. And for us, Looker came in and allowed us to have, a few things. One, a unified source of data. I mean, for hopefully some of you who are listening and hearing this, I'm resonating with you because you know how painful it can be when you have 5 sets of data and you go to a meeting and you think your data is the one source of data, and then 3 other people say, well, actually, I have 42% and you had 50%. And actually, I had 50,000, you had 60,000. Whatever I'm referring to, it doesn't matter. Revenue, SKUs, margin. The point is, there's nothing more frustrating when people are pulling on all different sources of data, all with the right intent, all earnest, but now it creates confusion. At the end of the day, all this leads to what? Getting smarter with your choices, right? So if I have all this data at my fingertips, I have the right data cut the right way, I can have informed decisions with all the key stakeholders and all the right people to say, let's make decisions that are going to impact the business, hopefully progress us in the right way, and we're doing it in a way that we can feel good about what it is based on.
One of the solutions that we came up to help us go through all those challenges was the Looker Guild. So the Looker Guild is an association of Looker-obsessed people at AppsFlyer. So we picked up a representative, a guild member from each department. So they are like in between the BI team and all the other business and analytics team. And let's see how they do it. So first of all, of course, the responsibility is to optimize the interface between the BI team and the analytics team. To keep Looker one source of truth for all the AppsFlyer, we want our KPIs to be really aligned between different teams, to be our data guards and the Looker tech leads. So of course, they help us to implement new features, new LookML stuff that we want to implement throughout all the Looker developers. And they help us onboard new users in every team and in every department in different business units. And we have a Slack community of all our Looker developers, and they are answering questions to team members. And of course, defining the business logic and the definitions of all the KPI, each one of them relevant to their own department, which is very critical and help us a lot to really provide a better data solutions.
Those clips speak for themselves. We could do this all day, but you need to get back to work. So here's a little tease of some more Join at Home content we think you'll find valuable.
All right, it's time to roll up our virtual sleeves and see these blocks in action. First, how do you get up and running with the Looker for Google Marketing Platform blocks? So here I'm on the Looker home screen. I go to the marketplace And my 3 looker blocks for Google Marketing Platform are right here. And let's say I want to use the Google Analytics 360 block. The last step is to click the purple open button, choose which of my hopefully several Google Analytics accounts I have access to, and then connect them. And that's as easy as that.
Tell me a little bit about data strategy at Comcast and how that helped you react to this disruption you saw because of the pandemic.
So we pride ourselves in empowering our team members within our organization to get the answers to the questions that they have and self-service the insights that they want to generate. And we do that via a couple different means, via either SQL endpoints or products like Looker, where people can come in, they can see all of the dashboards that they currently have, dive into the explorers and run analysis themselves with a really low technical bar to get the answers that they need. And those people who have that question usually are the best ones to generate the answer. Secondly, we've been really focused on experimentation and experimenting at scale, which really helps our teams be able to develop features and test them within a testing environment so they can be testing their ideas against real customers. What this does is it allows them to understand the value of the thing they created against the metrics that are important to that feature.
We sought to help hospitals answer 2 very important questions. The first one, will we have enough PPE to equip staff given increased consumption and shortages? And 2, how can we efficiently discharge patients to post-acute care given capacity constraints? So on the right-hand side of the screen at the top there, you can see the green columns on the chart. After we developed all of our complex calculations, we developed another layer of calculations on top of that to calculate usage. So after building the initial metrics and measures we wanted, we could create any amount of layers on top to handle these complex calculations and aggregations. The result, as you can see in the bottom right, a clean visual to show hospitals on a daily basis how many supplies were being used across the hospital and which areas they were used, inpatient units, ED, and OR. The level of customizability and ability to easily change and alter assumptions on the fly was super important while continuing to develop new and more robust versions.
That's a wrap for Join at Home Resample. We hope you'll explore, share, and enjoy all of the rich content from our virtual conference, starting with this resample as a guide. Follow the links on this page and on your screen to access the Join at Home Resample playlist. Remember to comment, ask questions, and let us know what you'd like to see at next year's Join. We'll see you there.